For the next 2 weeks, I will be unable to record Truth Matters. So I thought that rather than have a gap in Truth Matters, I wanted to use this time to introduce you to some information that supplements what we've been talking about. So to do this, in the description, I have a link to the video produced by Wes Huff on the topic of Can I Trust the Bible? I really think that you will get a lot out of the work that Wes has done in explaining the reliability of the Scripture and the text. So I've listed in the link, as I mentioned, the first of 2 videos on this topic. Next week, I'll do the same for part 2 on this topic. It never hurts to learn more about the truth and the reliability of the Scriptures that we have. Today, truth is denied, ignored, and resisted with open hostility. Yet in life and in times of crisis, we discover that truth matters.